Hi, my name is Amy with WTI, and I wanted to share with you my most current favorite granola. This is Madegood, and I loved the strawberry. It's so tasty. I enjoy it for breakfast, eating it like a cereal with maybe some cashew milk. Also, I've been snacking throughout the day with it. There's a few things that I love about this. It's organic, it is allergy friendly, it's safe for kids, safe to have the kids bring to school because there's no nuts in it. And there's one thing I found out that I did not know after already having tried it, and it's so delicious, is that there's 1 serving of vegetables in this. You would not even be able to tell. Let me show you what this looks like. This is really something that anybody, even if you don't have food allergies, you would still love the taste of this and really enjoy it. I love the light, crispy texture, the sweet taste to it. I love that there's vegetables in it and you can't even tell. This is something that is a staple in my house, and I think you're gonna really enjoy it. Give it a try, but that's just my point of view.